Welcome, welcome everyone. Today I'll be making crab and shrimp cakes. And here are the ingredients. I have some crackers that I've crushed. I have some parsley, some green onions, some white onions. I have 3 eggs, some mayo, some Worcestershire sauce. I have some dry mustard, some Old Bay seasoning. I have some white pepper, butter, and lemon juice. Here I have some canned crab and some shrimp, small shrimp that I've cut up. This is about 2 cans of crab, 6 ounces I believe. It comes to about a pound. But if you want to go all out and buy some lump crab, be my guest. This is what we're using right now. And some flour. I've melted my butter. I'm going to add into that the onions. We're going to cook them for a minute or so. Meanwhile, I'm going to separate my eggs. All we want are the yolks. One more. Kind of lost a little bit of that yolk, but it's okay. Gonna get rid of this. I'm going to remove these onions from the pan. We're going to keep the butter because we're going to use that. I'm tilting the pan because that gets the grease off. And I'm going to finish this. And here we're going to beat these eggs until they get a little frothy. See how they're getting thick? Yeah. About like this, and then we're going to add into the butter. It would be nice if you could beat while you're adding, but I only have 2 hands. Let's set this aside. I'm going to do this for about a minute or so. Then I'll be right back. This is about how you want it. See how it is? It's frothy. And I'm going to add in some mayo. Let me put this in first. Some dry mustard. You want to mix it up. Some Old Bay. Some white pepper. Worcestershire. The onions, a little bit more. Whoops, I want to make a mess. Excuse me. Some green onions. Some dry parsley. It looks about right. Now I'm going to add my crab meat and shrimp. Let's see what we got here. What we have here. We add the rest in. Ooh, I'm a messy Marvin right now. Excuse me for one sec. And I'm going to add in some lemon juice. Whoops, 1, 2, that's it. And I'm going to turn my oven on, let me see, to 400. Preheat. And I'm going to add my crackers in. See, you don't want to put too many because you don't want it to be dry. This is going to have to sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes. Let's see, I'm going to add some more and I'm going to show you about the consistency you want it to be. Play a little more. Then it'll have a chance to marinate for a while before we go straight and cook it. So we're going to fry them in a little butter and oil on each side, and then we're going to put them on a cooling rack into the oven. I think we can use all of them. That was only about 12 crackers. And I think that's about all we'll need. See? That's the best way I can show you. And it'll get a little bit tighter as it sits in the fridge because the breadcrumbs are going to soak up the juices. And I will be back. I thought that maybe I needed to let you see how, ooh, messy, messy. That's about how you want to. Okie doke. Okay, our mixture has been in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes, and now I'm heating up some vegetable oil and some butter. While the oil is heating up, I'm going to make our patties. Just going to take some. Like that. Let me see, I think the heat is ready already. Okay, where are we? Going to make a patty. We're going to put it into the flour. Into the flour it goes. Oh, it fell apart. don't think you quite need that much, but I'm going to add it into the hot oil. Do another. Your heat has to be pretty high when it comes to seafood, you know, fish or whatever. Just gonna let that brown. I'm gonna do one more, so I don't want to crowd the pan. I'll let you see in 1 sec. So I have some oil. I'm gonna let you see what's going on here. Sorry. We're just gonna let that brown on each side for about 2 or 3 minutes on each side. I'm gonna turn them. I'll let that one get pretty brown. And there we go. Okay, I baked these for about 10 minutes at 400 degrees. And this is what we have. Oops, excuse me. This is some sauce that I made for them. And it's delicious. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. I had a ball. I hope you did too. And don't forget to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you, pray for them, pray for us. Then pray again. Don't stop praying. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. That's it. And that's all. Taste that again. Later.